July 23rd, 2018. Time now is 7 a.m. and this is what I woke up to seeing in my yard. Does anybody know what kind of bird this is? I've never seen this kind of bird in my area, but it's dead here in my yard. What kind of bird is this? I've seen several of them fly one day over my house, and I wanted to catch them to post. I've never seen this kind of bird. And why is it laying in my yard dead? That is freaky. I'll have to get rid of it somehow. Wow. There's our sky to the north, 7 a.m. What's the yellow? But anybody know what kind of bird that is? Appreciate it. Let me know. I gotta get out here and bury it. Thanks for watching. Love y'all. Later.